Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our AHS Employee E-people account. So let's get started. So to log into your AHS Employee E-people account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for AHS Employee E-people login. After searching for AHS Employee E-people login, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which says login, which is from Oracle. So now what you can do is in the bottom of your screen you can just find these options where you can enter your email address and password. So you just enter your email address and password which is related to your AHS account. So after entering your email address and password, now what you can do is just simply tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot your password, and after tapping on forgot your password you can easily reset or recover your account's password by creating a new one. So after creating a new password for your account, what you can do is just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering the new password that you have created, you just have to tap on login, and after tapping on login you'll successfully log into your account. So if that method does not work, what you have to do is just simply create a new account. So to create a new account you just have to tap on new user and just create a new account. But if you do remember your account's password, or if you can just easily reset or recover your account's password, what you can do is just simply enter your new password that you have created and then tap on login, and after tapping on login you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your AHS Employee E-people account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.